Take some content. Yeah. ये रहा ना चल. Yeah.
Green chips. चल. But जाना कहाँ से?
उधर right. This is what our adulting is looking like. Pretty aesthetic stuff.
कुछ बैठने के लिए भी देखना है. अमीर बन जाए थोड़े. देखिए जरा.
Hi guys, so it is day before Harman's birthday. It's 22 today and कल Harman का birthday and look at her. Look at her. इसका बहुत दिमाग खराब हो रहा है क्योंकि इसके पास इसका आउटफिट नहीं है जब जो कि हम अभी डिसाइड करने वाले हैं. बट यू नो दिस इज द कंडीशन. क्या आ रहा है?
चक्कर आ रहा है.
इसको चक्कर आ रहा है. रियली होप कल तक सही हो जाए. नहीं हुई तो फिर ऐसे.
हम कल की शॉपिंग करके आए तब मैं ठीक थी.
Yes, we are done with the shopping, you guys. Let me show you what we got. Let me show you.
We got mayonnaise. Then we have these very beautiful napkins. Then we have, what is this? Szechuan chutney. Then we have these cake. फिर ये क्या है हमारे पास? Mayonnaise.
मैं हर्शीज का मिल्क शेक लाई हूँ क्योंकि ये महंगा है. मैं खुद से नहीं खरीदती बट हरमन खरीदी थी तो सबसे ले लिया मैंने. और वापस बोलो.
Yes. तो ये हम लाए ये बिंगो का कि ग्रीन वाला लेस अवेलेबल ही नहीं था. ये बैकअप है हमारा. Then we have this chocolate. ये अच्छी है चॉकलेट. फिर ये हम बहुत रैंडम चीज़ें लाए हैं. some non-stop whatever. हाँ. ये पॉपकॉर्न लाए हैं हम. ये पता नहीं क्या है. M&M जो भी. And then we got these disposable plates. Okay. Then ये Acto वापस से ये M&M है. Doritos. And then we have these fruit beers.
one alcoholic thing we have is
स्टिंग. हम लोग शॉपिंग करके आ गए हैं. ये वाली अब ये सब हम कल ऐसे सजाएंगे पूरा. ऑल्सो ये थीम वीम ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. तो हम लोग ऐसे करेंगे कि बाहर ना पिकनिक स्टाइल में वी विल बी सेलिब्रेटिंग हर बर्थडे. ऐसे नीचे बेडशीट बिछा के वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पिंटरेस्टी टाइप. तुम चुप हो जाओ. वेरी पिंटरेस्टी. एंड इसका आउटफिट भी वैसे ही होगा होपफुली. हाँ वो DIY आउटफिट होगा मोस्ट प्रोबेबली. वी डोंट नो येट.
we are fashion designing students.
हम फैशन डिजाइनिंग स्टूडेंट्स नहीं है. हम फैशन स्टडीज स्टूडेंट हैं.
वही 11th 12th तो हमने करी है ना.
हाँ तो वी नो हाउ टू मेक पैटर्न्स एंड ऑल. तो दैट बीइंग सेड आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. कल हम करेंगे ऐसे ग्लो अप पूरा. ठीक है. ऐसे वी विल डू फेस मास्क. आईब्रोज वगैरह सही होएंगी. और मैंने फेस शेव बहुत टाइम से नहीं करा तो यू कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रोथ हियर एंड हियर. तो कल सुबह पैम्परिंग सेशन है. देन हम तैयार व्यार होंगे. हम सैंडविचेस भी बनाएंगे. वी विल शो यू ऑल ऑफ इट. इट विल बी सुपर प्रिटी. बाय.
Hi guys, same day and it's 11:10 right now. Tomorrow is Herman's birthday and right now I'm packing her gift. So let me show you what I have for her. Face wash from Alps Goodness. Mini size Alps Goodness Sandalwood face scrub and this is how it looks. We have a lot of lipsticks. She likes a lot of dark shades. तो यहाँ पे मैंने ज़्यादातर रेड्स रखे हैं, मरून और बहुत सारे. We have a lot of lipsticks. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to pack all of this and I really hope कि उसको पसंद आए.
Guys, I just woke up. Please ignore my face and my voice. But my room is a mess. Like seriously, I have cartons all over here, like this, and this, and then this, whatever. So I'll just clean up my room a little bit. थोड़ा अपना हुलिया से करते हो. I'll be right back and we'll start with all the stuff that we have to do today. I have so much on my list and it's 7:30 right now. 6 बजे उठना था but मुझसे नहीं उठा गया. But let me do all of this and I'll be back.
Hi guys, so I'm done cleaning my room and this is how it's looking. so pretty. I love white sheets, you already know it. But that being said, I cannot show you that side because we can leave something for room transformation video. Now I will just shave my face so you can see there's a lot of growth. If not here, you can obviously see over here. So my eyebrows are a mess right now. I'll also show you 2 new razors that I got recently for my eyebrows and my face alag, and I'm so excited to use them. So yeah, let's get started. I just washed my face and I've put some aloe vera on my face right now. वापस से aloe vera लगाएंगे, shave करेंगे face, then I'll wash my face, we'll do some face mask, and yeah, pampering session. Let's get started. Okay, let me show you the 2 new razors that I got. First is this Carmesi facial razor for women, and this is how the packaging looks like. It comes with 3 razors, and yeah, that's about it. This is how it looks, very pretty. And here you also get a cap. This is for your face. And then the next one, I got this Carmesi eyebrow razor for targeted corner hair, whatever. So it also comes in a pack of 3. And let me show you how it looks. So like this is normal, मैं पहले भी यूज़ करती थी दूसरे ब्रांड के, but like इसमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं है. But I was pretty excited for this one. It's like a very small razor so that you know बहुत precision से you can do your eyebrows. Although मेरे को इससे भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती थी eyebrows करने में, but then too I'm excited to use this and see what's the difference and you know what's the difference in the process. Anyways, let's get started. So I'll just put some aloe vera gel ऐसे, just wet it a little bit. Now the thing was कि जो बड़े वाला रेजर होता है ना, जब हम यहाँ से करते हैं तो वो आई लैशेस पर लगता है, वो थोड़ा इरिटेट करता है. ऑल्सो यू कैन हर्ट योर सेल्फ, बट इसमें ऐसी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Pretty sharp though. See the precision. And yeah, I'm done with this brow and this is how it is looking. I know people इधर का भी ऐसे length भी कम करते हैं, but I don't do that. So yeah, this is the difference. You can obviously see the difference and I love how it's looking right now. It was pretty easy to use this and it was very convenient. So I would recommend you all to get this. This whole pack eyebrow wala was for 315. I think I got it from Purple and they were having some discount. So I'll link them down below. You can go check them out. And the facial razor wala pack was for 299 rupees. Moving on, I'll just wash my face using this Mamaearth charcoal face wash and this is how it looks. I've been using this for a while now and I really love it. Also, all the Mamaearth products are free from harmful chemicals and are all natural, which I really like about the brand. You can use my code JAS2021 for 20% discount on their website and on their app. These products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. Now what I really like about this particular face wash is I've used multiple charcoal face washes and one thing that I dislike about them is कि वो face को इतना dried out छोड़ देते हैं ना बहुत ज़्यादा, like your skin feels so itchy and you know बिल्कुल एकदम elasticity ख़त्म हो जाती है. So I really hate that about charcoal face washes and I was skeptical while using this, but you guys, this is such a good product. It doesn't dry out your skin. It leaves your skin moisturized once you are done washing your face and I really like it. I'm done washing my face and this is how it is looking. I love how glowy it looks already. But moving on, I will be using this charcoal face mask with charcoal, coffee and clay by Mamaearth, and this is how the packaging looks like. I know this is tampered, so you know I've used a hell lot of it. It also comes with this applicator, which I really like. Also, all the Mamaearth products are dermatologically tested. These are paraben and sulfate free. These are all natural. And also, if you purchase anything from their own application or website, they will link your order to a tree that they plant and they will literally send you all the updates like the plant, the species, how it's growing, and whatever you would like to know about it. So that's a very good initiative towards the environment that this brand is taking, which I really like. Alright, so I'm done applying the face mask. You can see I look like a clown, but anyways, that's not a point. So I'll keep it for 15 minutes, scrub it and wash it off. Just washed my face and this is how it looks right now. I loved this product and I would recommend you all to please try it for once.
obviously do a patch test. I did that before and I've used it 2-3 times and I really like the results. Like you can see the instant glow and how clean my face is looking. Hi guys, so it's currently 12:45 right now. I did a lot of work, झाड़ू पोछा, bathroom, बहुत सारा काम. उसके बाद I took shower, did my skincare and also put on my lenses and these took so freaking long. I'm so pissed, like I cannot even tell you guys. इतना घंटा लग गया इसे लगाने में. I don't know what the problem is, लग ही नहीं रहे. Anyways, so अब I will just chill for a while. मेरे बाल सूख जाएं, उसके बाद I'll put on my outfit, do my makeup and we'll go out. पूरा ऐसे तैयारी वैयारी करेंगे. हरमन एंड रुचिका आ रहे हैं. या हैप्पी बर्थडे. थैंक यू.
मेरा रील मत करो चलने के लिए.
तो या अभी हम ऐसे तैयारी कर रहे हैं. यही कर रही है बेसिकली अपने बर्थडे की तैयारी. वील जस्ट गेट रेडी एंड वील बी राइट बैक.
ये पड़ा पाइप इसके अंदर.
स्ट्रॉ और बॉटल
हटो.
बहुत फुलाए हैं मैंने.
तो फेंक दे इसको साले को.
कैसे बोलते हैं. कितना मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है.
खोलो भाई कुछ और खराब हो गया. क्या खराब हुआ?
बालून
ये क्यों नहीं हो रहे?
हो जाएंगे.
डन
हो गया.
लो. फुलाना आता नहीं है. ऐसी पेट में हवा ले रखी है इसमें घुसा देती थोड़ी.
कितनी हवा ले रखी है इसमें घुसा दो.
शॉपकीपर के पास सामान है ना.
बॉडी शेमिंग इज नॉट अलाउड. This is what my makeup is looking like. Bro, I love it. See?
मुझे मत ले.
Very pretty. Now I'll help Herman a bit. We'll just glam her a bit and then I'll show you her outfit and everything around. But I really love how my makeup has turned out. I've used this new lipstick which I'll let you know about बाद में. But love this minimal makeup look going on. So this is my outfit. Very beautiful, pretty, flowy dress. Love this. Pretty.
Happy birthday. Thank you. पर्पल से क्या मंगाया? हाँ. वेट फॉर लिपस्टिक. इसी की है ना ये?
भाई लिपस्टिक का स्टॉक.
हरमन के लिए जान भी त्यागने को तैयार हूँ. बस तो ओले के तो इम्प्रेसिव.
I really like this. लिप कलर वाला पार्ट सबसे बढ़िया था.
तेरे कलर्स भी लाई यार. मैं पेंट हो गया.
वापस जा. चल.
कपू बहन छेद कर दे. फुलाऊंगी मैं. मेरी हरमन का जन्मदिन है आज.
रहने दे. Guys, so we are here in the garden और अब हम ऐसे पूरा बेडशीट वगैरह बिछाएंगे, सब चीज़ें रखेंगे. I'll show you it. Change of plans. ग्रास बहुत गीली हो रही है तो अब सामने वाले में चलते हैं.
हेलो.
शेजवान. Finish. हो गया सब कुछ. Super pretty stuff.
कैसी?
So pretty.
कैसे अश्लील बनके.
उन पे डिपेंड करता है उनके बच्चे कैसे हैं. दौड़ ले. क्यों बिगड़ने दे रहे हैं?
हम तो नहीं बिगड़े.
हाँ.
हमारी हरमन को कोई कुछ कहना दे. आज
Wow,
लड़
so
लूंगी
pretty.
मैं. है अच्छा लग रहा है.
ये क्या कर रही हो तुम? नीचे रखो.
नीचे आ. नीचे इज नॉट गुड.
Birthday to you. Muesli लग.
हाँ.
बट बहुत हैवी है, बहुत हैवी है। थैंक यू एवरीवन मेरा बर्थडे एस्थेटिक बनाए रखने के लिए। थैंक यू। गिफ्ट भी एस्थेटिक मिले हैं।
So how was your birthday? Did you like it?
Yes, very nice.
It was amazing.
All thanks to कोई बात नहीं, मैं थोड़ा बहुत क्रेडिट ऐसे शेयर कर सकती हूँ, no worries. But you look really pretty.
Thank you.
Okay guys, we are done with all this mess.
Look at me.
And we have this beautiful person cleaning it up. Then we have now we are heading back to our home. मुझे आना पड़ेगा क्या? God.
Hi guys, so everybody just left. अब मैं यहाँ पे अकेली हूँ, so I'll just chill for a while. That being said, that is it for today's video. It was a very nice day. We had so much fun, and let me know how do you guys liked our outfits. But that being said, please don't forget to check out the Mama Earth charcoal face mask and face wash. I will link them down below in my description box. You can go check them out. Also use my coupon code JAS2021 for 20% off on their website and application. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. You know the drill, and I'll meet you in my next video very, very soon. Until then, goodbye.